Hello and welcome to part 2 of this webinar on how to multiply online sales with big data and personalization. In this segment, we'll teach you everything you need to know about customer personas, segments, and why it matters to you. This webinar is brought to you by Metisa. We help e-commerce stores maximize sales, convert customers with intelligent product recommendations, automated email campaigns, and predictive marketing insights. We're essentially your on-demand data scientist. You can find out more about us at www.askmetisa.com or by doing a quick search of Metisa on Shopify, Magento, or BigCommerce. Without further ado, let's get into the topic of today, customer personas and segments. I'm going to start with answering the basic question. What exactly are customer personas? To put in simple words, customer personas are a research-based representation of who your ideal customer is. By ideal, we mean customers who will spend the most recurrently. The buyer persona tells you the decision-making process, concerns, and criteria your ideal prospective buyer has when they choose to do business with you or with one of your competitors. However, be careful not to confuse customer personas with customer profiling. I'm now going to tell you the difference between them and why we believe customer personas are the better way to multiply sales for e-commerce stores. A customer profile contains basic information only, acting as a tool to clarify the surface of the understanding of your customer. This may include age, geographic location, or annual income. It answers the question of, who is my customer? A customer persona, on the other hand, is a much more time-consuming process where you create an extremely detailed representation of your ideal customer. It includes their likes and dislikes, how they make a decision, values and motivations, what drives them to make a purchase at your store. It not only answers the question of who your customer is, but also the most important question of why they buy what they buy. A customer profile focuses on the traditional marketing approach. They focus on who's capable of buying our products. However, you must make sure a customer is interested in your product in the first place, or else how much money he has to spend does not matter to your business, as he will not spend it on your product anyways. Let me explain this point further with an example. For instance, I create a customer profile by putting all men aged 40 to 50 years old and who owns cars into one category. These are the people who I think are financially capable of buying my product. However, we're disregarding that there are individual values and preferences that each customer has. Them having enough money to afford your product does not mean that they're potentially interested in purchasing your product. Instead of their shopping patterns and behavior generates insights into their potential. And this is the deciding factor that contributes to whether or not they make a sale with your e-commerce store. A customer persona is much less generic. It's built on one individual buyer and analyzes the decision-making process behind why he buys what he buys. Why should you care then? Why should you, as an e-commerce store owner or marketing head, care about the benefits of a detailed customer persona? A customer persona provides marketing insights for your company. It helps you determine who are the customers who are most potentially interested in the products you're selling, what motivates them to buy your products, and their specific preferences. Therefore, it acts as a structural guideline for a company to understand where to focus your time and how to guide product development to cater to the interests of ideal customers. As a result, you'll be able to attract the most valuable visitors to your site and drive them to make a sale successfully. Now, we answer the question of how to build a customer persona. What's considered an ideal customer persona? At Metisa, we build customer personas based on real data, machine learning, and algorithms. Instead of using the inherent understanding of customers and making educated guesses based on the demographics of customer as a way to create a customer persona, we find patterns in customers' purchasing and behavioral patterns and group them into clusters. The clusters of customer personas are what we call customer segments. Customer segments are your potential customers grouped according to their behavior and purchasing patterns. By experimenting with different ways of grouping existing customers, for example, grouping those with similar buying patterns and interests, it's much easier to figure out which way of grouping them produces the best fit. From these segments, you can find out the key information you need to learn about where to focus your resources on. You can find out their respective motivations and goals based on the keywords they're interested in. That concludes our second segment on customer personas and segments. We hope you have found this section useful, and you're welcome to share it with friends who may also enjoy it. If you have any questions, do leave us a message and we will dedicate some time before next week's segment to answering your questions. Otherwise, thank you very much for listening and stay tuned this time next week when we delve deeper into analyzing email campaigns and how they help your e-commerce store boost sales.